In this video, you will learn how to register your unmanaged network devices or devices managed by OmniVista Cirrus new generation in Fleet Supervision. Once connected to the ALE Fleet Supervision cloud system, you need to either declare unmanaged network devices or declare an OmniVista NMS. OmniVista Cirrus in this video. Go in Management System, create a new management system and give it a name. Select the management type OmniVista Cirrus 10. We need now an OmniVista URL, an organization ID, an application ID, and an application secret. For the OmniVista URL, copy the Cirrus URL and paste it to Fleet Supervision. Make sure you are logged into the organization you want to monitor. Copy the organization ID and paste it in Fleet Supervision. Now we will create an application. Click on your account and on Applications. Click on Create Application. Choose a name for the application. Select Web Application and enter a description optionally. A message tells you the application has been created successfully. You should see it in the application list. Under Actions, click on the icon Edit to get the application ID and secret. Copy the application ID from OmniVista to Fleet Supervision and then do the same with the application secret. Now in Fleet Supervision, click on Test Connection. A success message will inform you that the connection is successful. And complete the creation of the management system with optional and mandatory parameters. A success message will inform you that the creation is successful. For troubleshooting, you can also check the connection status from the Management System page. Your network devices will be listed in the device catalog, and you can see which ones are discovered from the OmniVista Cirrus 10 instance. If network devices are missing, use the Update Inventory and select the management system you want to poll. Click on Poll. A success message will inform you that the list of managed devices has been polled successfully. You can also declare unmanaged network devices. These devices will periodically upload their contract and support information to the backend server. These unmanaged devices are declared in a XLXS or CSV format. Download the file and enter the serial numbers of your devices. You can also add labels for these devices, up to 5 per network device. You can also give a name to the device and specify the firmware version. Use either yes or no in the production status. It will be easier to differentiate the network devices that will be put in production from the ones that will be put in stock. Upload and import it then to the Fleet Supervision. You can use a filter to select the managed and unmanaged devices to be displayed. And you can also ask the Fleet Supervision to manually poll the unmanaged devices to get all the contract and maintenance information.